Hello everybody, good evening. I'm Damien. I'm just doing a quick unboxing of my new Insta360 Go Pro 2. I ordered directly from the Insta360.com website. Ordered on March 10th. Today is March 19th and I received it. And I did the tracking with DHL, and the product actually shipped from Shenzhen, China. So order on March 10th, arrive in Vancouver March 19th, which is pretty good. Okay, so we'll leave some detail on the description, on the price and everything. I decided to order directly from the website because I don't believe Best Buy or Amazon starts selling them yet. Also from the website, it's 399 Canadian dollars. Funny enough, that's including taxes, shipping, everything. There's no duty. I guess the duties are included. So basically 399 Canadian dollars. Okay, so let me just open the box up. So the packaging actually says it's lithium battery, so I guess they have to specify that on shipping. Anyways, comes in the Insta360 box. Okay. So let's see. There's a tear-off strip here. I think in the United States they're selling it for $2.99, so it's $100 cheaper. So still, okay. The box comes like that with a little bubble wrap, and this is the box it comes in. All right. Open it up. And Insta360. So inside the box, and there's the camera. So it's magnetically attached to the box here. And I just put it on the side here and open this up. See what's inside. I believe this is the pendant you wear on you with a magnet. Yep, it is. There you go. See, that is the magnetic pendant. Okay, so you can wear that on the inside of your shirt, and then this will stick on there, like so. Okay, and what else is in the box? Let's see. We got the, I guess that's a quick instructions. And a whole bunch of pamphlets inside. Oh, he gives you a sticker too. That's a sticker. So inside the box, this is what it looks like. You have the charging cable, USB-C. And this is the mount. I mean, this is the mount. You can put it on your cap or clip onto your shirt or belt, and the camera just snap on or magnetically stick onto the okay. And another, this is the sticky tape. Let's see how you open this. Oh, there we go. Slide out. And this is like a sticky rubber thing. It's reusable. You just have to wash it, and you can stick it on different material, and then you can take it off and then stick it in another location. It's not permanent sticker. And last but not least, there's nothing else in here. And this is the case. And the camera will go right inside the case, like so. And it's already power on. And as you probably noticed, there's the leg here, the tripod flip out, so you can place it as a stand. It's pretty cool. So that's it for the unboxing. Guess I'll be playing around with it, perhaps do a review on it, and I'll be, I think I'll have a lot of fun with this camera. I like the compact size. I think what is the best camera is the one that you always have on you. All right? Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe and leave me any comments. That would be great. That would really help my channel with the YouTube algorithm. So like and subscribe and comment. Thank you.